Hey guys! Hi everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English with Ember. It's me, Ember, your go-to friend for real everyday English that actually gets used out there in the world. Today, we're doing something fun. 50 super common English phrases that native speakers throw around all the time. You hear these in chats with friends, at work, in movies, on Instagram, everywhere, right? Learning them is going to make your English feel way more natural and confident. I promise. So grab your coffee or tea, get comfy, and let's jump in. If any of these are new to you, just repeat after me, okay? Here we go. Number 1, break the ice. You know when everyone's feeling a bit awkward and quiet? This means starting the conversation to make things relaxed, like, I told a silly joke to break the ice at the party. Come on, say it with me. Break the ice. Number 2, piece of cake. Oh, this one's my favorite when something's really easy. For example, the driving test, total piece of cake. Try it. Piece of cake. Number 3, under the weather. Feeling a little sick or just not 100% today? This means you're not feeling well. For example, I'm under the weather, so I'm skipping the market. Repeat after me. Under the weather. Number 4, hit the books. Time to get serious about studying, right? This means starting to study hard. For example, exams next week, better hit the books tonight. Say it with me. Hit the books. Number 5, cost an arm and a leg. You know when something is ridiculously expensive? This means it costs way too much money. Like, that new phone costs an arm and a leg. Come on, say it with me. Cost an arm and a leg. Number 6, bite the bullet. You know when you have to face something difficult or scary? This means doing it bravely even if you don't want to. Example, I hate needles, but I had to bite the bullet. Let's say it. Bite the bullet. Number 7, call it a day. You've worked enough and it's time to stop. This means finishing for the day. Like, we've done good work. Let's call it a day. Your turn. Call it a day. Number 8, get cold feet. You know when you get nervous right before doing something big? This means backing out because of nerves. Example, she was ready to perform but got cold feet. Repeat with me. Get cold feet. Number 9, spill the beans. Someone's hiding a secret and you want to know? This means revealing the secret. Like, come on, spill the beans. Who's the surprise for? Say this one. Spill the beans. Number 10, on cloud 9. You know when you're extremely happy and excited? This means feeling super joyful. Example, got the job, I'm on cloud 9. Let's try. On cloud 9. Number 11, burn the midnight oil. You know when you stay up very late working or studying? This means working late into the night. Like, I burned the midnight oil to finish the project. Come on, say it with me. Burn the midnight oil. Number 12, let the cat out of the bag. You know when you accidentally tell a secret? This means revealing something that was supposed to stay hidden. For example, oops, I let the cat out of the bag about the party. Say it together. Let the cat out of the bag. Number 13, kick the bucket. The funny, old-fashioned way to talk about dying? This means to die, used humorously. Like, my old fan finally kicked the bucket. Your turn. Kick the bucket. Number 14, beat around the bush. avoiding the main point and talking in circles. This means not speaking directly. Like, stop beating around the bush. Just say it. Let's say it. Beat around the bush. Number 15. Cut corners. Doing something the cheap or quick way. This means taking shortcuts. Like, they cut corners and the quality is bad now. Give it a try. Cut corners. Number 16. A dime a dozen. You know when things are very common and not special? This means something is everywhere and ordinary. For example, those designs are a dime a dozen online. Come on, say it with me. A dime a dozen. Number 17. Better late than never. When something happens late but still good, this means it's better to do it late than not at all. Example, you finally came. Better late than never. Say it with me. Better late than never. Number 18. Break a leg. What people say for good luck before a performance. This means good luck. Like, big dance today? Break a leg. Let's try. Break a leg. Number 19. Out of the blue. You know when something happens completely unexpectedly? This means suddenly and without warning. For example, he called out of the blue after years. Come on, say it with me. Out of the blue. Number 20. Take it with a grain of salt. Don't believe something completely. It might be exaggerated. This means don't take it too seriously. For example, his travel stories, take them with a grain of salt. Repeat after me. Take it with a grain of salt. Number 21. Jump on the bandwagon. Everyone starts doing something trendy and you join too. This means following the crowd. Example, that dance challenge is viral. I jumped on the bandwagon. Say it with me. Jump on the bandwagon. Number 22. The ball is in your court. You know when it's someone else's turn to decide? This means now it's your responsibility to act. Like, I replied, the ball is in your court now. Come on, say it with me. The ball is in your court. Number 23. Barking up the wrong tree. Accusing or asking the wrong person? This means you've got the wrong idea. Example, if you think I ate your snacks, you're barking up the wrong tree. Let's say it. Barking up the wrong tree. Number 24. Once in a blue moon. You know when something happens very rarely? This means almost never. Like, I eat out once in a blue moon. Come on, say it with me. Once in a blue moon. Number 25. Sit on the fence. Not choosing a side, staying neutral. This means being undecided. For example, stop sitting on the fence. Pick one. Give it a go. Sit on the fence. Number 26. Through thick and thin. You know when friends stay together no matter what. This means in good times and bad times. Like, we've supported each other through thick and thin. Come on, say it with me. Through thick and thin. Number 27. When pigs fly. Something that will never, ever happen. This means impossible. For example, he'll share his food when pigs fly. Let's try. When pigs fly. Number 28. Hit the nail on the head. Describing something exactly, right? This means perfect guess. Example, you hit the nail on the head. That's the reason. Your turn. Hit the nail on the head. Number 29. Kill two birds with one stone. You know when one action solves two problems? This means achieving two things at once. Example, I'll call while walking. Kill two birds with one stone. Repeat after me. Kill two birds with one stone. Number 30. Pull someone's leg. You know when you're joking or teasing. This means not being serious. Like, I was just pulling your leg. Relax. Come on, say it with me. Pull someone's leg. Number 31. Rain, cats, and dogs. When it's pouring heavily outside. This means raining very hard. For example, don't go, it's raining cats and dogs. Let's say it again. Rain, cats, and dogs. Number 32. See eye to eye. You know when two people completely agree? This means having the same opinion. Like, we don't always see eye to eye, but it's fine. Come on, say it with me. See eye to eye. Number 33. Take a rain check. You know when you can't do something now but later? This means postponing it. Example, can't today, can I take a rain check? Let's say it together. Take a rain check. Number 34. The early bird catches the worm. This means the first one gets the advantage. Like, I got the seat because I came early. Early bird catches the worm. Repeat after me. The early bird catches the worm. Number 35. Throw in the towel. You know when you decide to give up? This means quitting. Example, it was too hard. I threw in the towel. Come on, say it with me. Throw in the towel. Number 36. Under your nose. Something right in front of you, but you miss it? This means very obvious. Like, the solution to the problem was under your nose, but you were too distracted to see it. Let's try. Under your nose. Number 37. Up in the air. Plans not decided yet? This means uncertain or not final. Like, the weekend plan is still up in the air. Your turn. Up in the air. Number 38. Wrap your head around. You know when something is hard to understand? This means trying to figure it out. Example, I can't wrap my head around this rule. Come on, say it with me. Wrap your head around. Number 39. Your guess is as good as mine. You know when you have no idea either? This means I don't know any more than you. Like, when will it end? Your guess is as good as mine. Say it with me. Your guess is as good as mine. Number 40. Zip your lip. Telling someone to be quiet? This means stop talking. For example, zip your lip, teacher is coming. Let's say together, zip your lip. Number 41. A blessing in disguise. You know when something bad turns out good? This means a hidden benefit. Like, missing the bus was a blessing in disguise. Come on, say it with me. A blessing in disguise. Number 42. All ears. Ready to listen to everything? This means I'm fully listening. Like, tell me the story. I'm all ears. Repeat with me. All ears. Number 43. Bend over backwards. Trying extremely hard to help someone? This means big effort. Example, Mom bent over backwards to make the function perfect. Say this one. Bend over backwards. Number 44. Catch some rays. Relaxing in the sunshine? This means sunbathing. Like, let's go to the roof and catch some rays. Give it a go. Catch some rays. Number 45. Cut someone some slack. Being more lenient with someone? This means go easy on them. For example, he's learning. Cut him some slack. Let's try. Cut someone some slack. Number 46. Face the music. You know when you have to accept the result of your actions? This means dealing with the consequences. Example, you made a mistake, now face the music. Come on, say it with me. Face the music. Number 47. Get your act together. Need to get organized and focused? This means sort yourself out. For example, get your act together before the interview. Repeat. Get your act together. Number 48. Hang in there. Things are tough, but keep going. This means don't give up. Example, it's difficult now, but hang in there. Say with me, hang in there. Number 49. In the same boat. You know when people are in the same difficult situation? This means sharing the same problem. For example, we're all tired. In the same boat. Come on, say it with me. In the same boat. Number 50. Lend a hand. Someone needs help? This means to assist them. Like carrying bags, I'll lend a hand. One last time. Lend a hand. Wow, we just did all 50 together. How fun was that? Which phrase made you smile the most? Or which one is you going to start using tomorrow? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and love replying. If this helped your English even a little, please smash that like button. It really helps me reach more people like you. Subscribe to Everyday English with Ember and hit the bell so you never miss the next lesson. Next one is 50 fun ways to say yes like a native. It's going to be hilarious. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Keep speaking, keep smiling, keep improving. You're doing awesome. See you very soon. Bye.